In this video, I'm going to share with you the unboxing of a mirrorless camera that I recently got, and I also got a 100mm macro lens. So let's do this and let's find out what's in the box and what it comes with. So this is our Canon RF100 F2.8 L macro USM, and this is our camera body. So let's look at the camera body first. Put that on the side. So let's get in the box. It's got an R there, and to the box. Oh, and it looks really neatly packed. We've got an instruction manual, or the features of the lens, I guess, in various languages. We'll read those. And then I have a little camera strap. Well, actually, I didn't think it comes with this camera. Oh, so that's good. I don't actually use my camera strap when I'm taking dental photos. I just think it comes in the way. But, you know, for some people, it might be handy. Then we have a charger. And that is the battery. Put that on the side. This is the same one that fits my old camera, so that's handy. I've got quite a few of those lying around. That's really good, and that can just go in there. And I'm guessing that is the cable that supplies, yes. So this is the cable for the battery charger. Put that on the side, and then I'm going to lift this tray up, and there it is. This is the Mirrorless R7. Just gonna remove the tag on it. There's an empty space there, and I'm assuming that was for the kit lens. I actually didn't buy the kit lens. I only bought the camera body, and I bought a separate lens. So that's why it's an empty space there. And there we go. Yeah, beautiful looking camera. It looks totally awesome. It's bigger than I thought it's going to be, so that's good. There's a screen. Gonna just flip that around and pop it in, and it should function just like the other one. So let's take that and pop the battery in. Well, I guess the battery is in charge, so that's going to be, we're going to do that in a minute. Right, so we've got a charged battery. We're going to remove the battery from there. Just undo that. This is the one that came with the kit, but doesn't have any charge. So I've got another one that's charged already. Gonna pop that in. It's got a nice little firm click. Close the door, and there we go. Wow. Well, it's got some settings to do. So this is our RF100 F2.8 L macro USM lens. Go. All right. So what's in the box? I think this is just a little pouch for keeping the lens in. So that's really good. Some instructions about the lens. I must say, very neatly packed. That looks like the hood for the lens. I'm not sure I want to use the hood, but it's worth having. I guess it protects the front element. But yeah, keep that handy. And there is our lens. Wow, it really is looking the part, isn't it? So this is our macro lens. It's got a stabilizer switch on and off. It's got a autofocus or a manual focus switch there. A little small to push forwards, backwards. You've got your focusing distance switch. It's got this as well, SA control. I think it stands for spherical aberration control. It's complicated. The way it works is it's designed to change the shape of the background bokeh if you use this. And yeah, the lock switch is actually for that, I guess. Indeed. But I don't want to mess with that, so I'm just going to keep it locked. So I can't move that spherical aberration control ring anymore. Yeah, a beautiful looking lens. So we're going to try this lens out. We're going to try it on and we'll see what kind of photos we get. I'm very hopeful. And it's the L series lens. The L stands for luxury on a Canon. So we're going to take a few photos and we'll see how that goes. Right, align the two red dots. There we go. Now that's good to go. The lens is quite a bit larger than the camera body. It looks nice and sturdy. My little finger isn't falling off. I'm able to get a good grip around it. I can show you that. So yeah, it's nice and sturdy. Wow. Can't wait to get started on this. So let's take a few photos and let's take it from there.